So good morning students. I Rajesh Gupta, chemistry faculty in Talim Sangram School Gazipur welcomes you in today's chemistry experiment class. तो बच्चों आज की क्लास काफी दिलचस्प होने वाली है और दिलचस्प इस मामले में होने वाली है कि आपने नॉर्मल ह्यूमन टूथपेस्ट जो कि हम सुबह डेली करते हैं वो तो सुना ही होगा और देखा भी होगा, लेकिन आपने एलिफेंट टूथपेस्ट बहुत लोगों ने सुना भी नहीं होगा ना तो देखा होगा। एक्चुअली एलिफेंट टूथपेस्ट नाम की कोई चीज एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती है। इसको हम एक एक्सपेरिमेंट के थ्रू जानेंगे कि एलिफेंट टूथपेस्ट क्यों कहा जाता है और इसका दूसरा नाम है इस एक्सपेरिमेंट का मार्शमैलो एक्सपेरिमेंट। So before we proceed to our final experiment, I would like to tell you what are the chemicals we have used. And one more suggestion I would like to give you: please don't try this at home because the chemicals which we are using here are maybe corrosive. For example, H2O2. So the very first chemical which I have used here is H2O2, that is 30% H2O2 solution, hydrogen peroxide solution. Next chemical is potassium iodide. Okay, this potassium iodide actually act as a catalyst in our experiment. After that, we will add coloring agent in our solution, in H2O2 solution, and at last we will add this shampoo so that the oxygen, whatever oxygen that actually comes out of the reaction, that H2O2 that gets taken into H2O and O2, वो H2O2 आपका एफरवेसेंस के साथ बाहर निकले। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं इस एक्सपेरिमेंट को। सो इन दिस बीकर आई हैव ऑलरेडी टेकन माय H2O2 सॉल्यूशन 30% हाइड्रोजन peroxide solution, and this is my potassium iodide solution, this is my coloring agent, and this is my shampoo. So first of all I will add my coloring agent with the help of a spatula into spatula. So with the help of a spatula, I will add my coloring agent to my H2O2 solution. So here I have added. Now I will shake it so that it gets uniformly mixed. After adding the coloring agent, the next step is to add the shampoo into that particular solution. So finally I have added my shampoo also. And one more thing, more with the amount of shampoo, more with the amount of effervescence created. So for that, in order to improve the final observation, so I will add here one more shampoo packet. So after adding these two, you need to little bit shake it so that both gets uniformly mixed. And at last, the most important thing is the catalyst which we are going to add at the last, and this is our potassium iodide. So be prepared for the result. So here is the result. So you may observe that the reaction is slowly it's proceeding, and it's now become. So observe. So you students, you can clearly see that this type of volcano, like it is. The solution is coming out of the bottle like a volcano, and this is what. So what a beautiful experiment this is. This is the reason it is called as elephant toothpaste. I hope that you might have enjoyed this experiment. So thank you.